Welcome back. In this session, we are going to install kind Kubernetes cluster for local development. Once again, installation is very simple. Let's go to the browser and type install kind or on Mac, or maybe based on your operating system, you can type Linux or Windows. Hit the enter and we are going to open the first link. And once again, to install the kind on your local system, you have to have Docker installed. Now, if you scroll down, here we have the installation steps. So this is for the Linux, then the Mac, and for the Windows. Again, it's the same steps the way we did for the Minikube and kubectl. So what I need to do based on my hardware here, I need to download the binary. Okay, so let me copy this link. Let's go to the terminal and paste here. Now this is downloading. Now you see this is downloaded this kind here. Now this binary we need to change the permission here. Second, we need to change permission of this binary. Let's change this, and then we need to move this in the some directory in your path, means where in usr local bin, right? So let's do this here. So this will be usr local bin, not bin. This is the place where we put all binary, right? And then kind, okay, and hit the enter. This got moved, and that's all. Now we have kind installed on our systems. Now we can go ahead and create the kind cluster. Okay, and for that, okay, this again a different installation steps with the binary and all. So now we can go ahead and create the cluster, and to create the cluster we have to write this. Okay, and once you do that, this is going to create a cluster. So what it will do, it will create a single, once again single node, and it will have everything. But as I said, we're using the kind to create the cluster, right? So for that we need to write the YAML file. Okay, and again, so simply here you see what I said. So if you go and write this, okay, kind create cluster, so this is going to create one node. And if you want to create multiple node, okay, so default, and if you want to create multiple nodes, you can use minus name, you can pass the name. Okay, then it will create the cluster with this name. But if you want to create cluster with the multiple nodes, then we have to write a YAML file. Okay, so I will recommend for you go ahead and test something like this. Okay, but what I'm going to do, I have already created a YAML file, and using this YAML file we are going to create our cluster. Okay, now as I said, we are going to create a cluster. So for that I have already created YAML file. So let's do that. Let's go to the terminal, then cd workspace kind, and here I have two configuration, one with the 3 nodes, another for the multiple, okay, high available control panel. Let me show you this configuration. So 3 thr3, and here you see I am creating one control plane and two worker node. Okay, now let me quit this and let me show you here ha, and here you see I'm creating 3 control plane, okay, high available, and 3 worker node. So again you need to create the YAML file and put this, and based on the number of control plane you need, number of worker node you need, you can go ahead and create this configuration file, and from this configuration file we are going to create our cluster. It's very simple what we do. Okay, I think this is not given over here. It should be here, but very simple. Okay, let's go with type kind create cluster minus minus config, then 3. Okay, let's say if this accepts. Yes, so now this is accepting. So now what this is going to do, this is going to create a kind cluster with one control node and two worker node. And again, as I see, this is going to create a containers for this nodes, right? So this is going to create a cluster here, okay, a container here. You see, now we have the kind control plane. Now kind worker node 1 and worker node 2. Again, we can give name over here as well, okay. So here we can pass create cluster, then hyphen, okay. Now this got created, right? So here we can, okay, let me show you one more. So here in the config you can pass ha, okay, and minus minus name, okay, minus minus name. Let's give this epic book, okay. So now this is going to create the cluster for the our epic book, and where we will have 3 worker node and 3 control plane. And this is again we can see over here, okay. So now you see it's creating, correct? And now if you go here, okay, let's do this config. Now you see this got changed, right? Now this is kind one, this is not mini cube anymore, right? Because we have deleted. And from here, if you can go ahead and we'll type kubectl get nodes, okay, then we will see the worker nodes, right? We see we have these nodes are available now. This is still creating, right? So this is very simple. So using this command you can go ahead and install this, and once this is done, then you are ready for the next session. In next session we are going to understand very important concept in Kubernetes called pod, and then we are also going to create the containers as well in the same session. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.